Discover the ultimate kitchen upgrades with these must-have tools. From versatile non-stick grill pans, powerful blenders, and smart dough makers to sleek teapots, airtight storage containers, and precise measuring cups, each product combines functionality, durability, and style. Perfect for effortless cooking. All products links in the description section below. Whether you're prepping a quick weeknight stir-fry or settling into a relaxed weekend cooking rhythm, having the right knife changes everything. The Mad Shark Nukuri fits naturally into everyday kitchens, making vegetable prep faster, cleaner, and surprisingly enjoyable. Its ultra-sharp blade glides through onions, peppers, and herbs, while the ergonomic handle keeps your hand comfortable during longer sessions. It's the kind of tool you reach for without thinking, from meal prep to family dinners. If cooking is part of your daily lifestyle, this knife quietly earns its place in modern homes where efficiency and comfort truly matter most at $22.09 every single day at home. Whether you're cooking a cozy breakfast at home, prepping meals for a busy week, or making the most of a compact kitchen or RV, this Zabizo pots and pan set fits right into everyday life. The smooth non-stick surface makes healthier cooking effortless, while the detachable handle and stackable design keep storage stress-free. From stovetop to oven to table, everything feels simple and flexible. Cleanup is quick, which means more time enjoying the meal instead of scrubbing. If practical cookware that adapts to your lifestyle matters, this set quietly proves its value at $49.98 your kitchen every single day. Peeling vegetables and fruits can be a tedious chore, but the Starford Rotato Express makes it effortless, turning prep time into a stress-free part of your cooking routine. Its automatic operation and non-slip base let you peel potatoes, apples, and more with minimal effort, while the included spare blades keep things running smoothly. Perfect for busy weeknights or weekend meal prep, it fits naturally into kitchens where convenience meets practicality. Lightweight and easy to store, it quietly becomes a tool you reach for every time. For a fuss-free peeling experience that saves time at $28.55 in your daily cooking routine. Whether you're craving perfectly seared steaks, crispy vegetables, or a weekend brunch with golden grill marks, the Sensart non-stick grill pan brings versatility and ease to every kitchen. Its non-stick surface makes cooking and cleanup effortless, while the sturdy aluminum body and comfortable handle let you grill indoors or outdoors with confidence. From quick weeknight dinners to leisurely weekend feasts, it adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle, whether on gas, electric, or induction cooktops. Practical, durable, and easy to use, this pan quietly elevates your cooking routine at $19.98 for delicious meals every single time at home. Whether you're dreaming of fresh homemade bread, soft pizza dough, or fluffy buns, the Joy Deem electric dough maker brings professional baking into your kitchen with ease. Its smart microcomputer control handles mixing, kneading, and fermenting, saving time while giving consistent results. The large 7 for KD capacity makes it perfect for families or weekend baking sessions, and the quiet operation ensures a stress-free experience. With a sleek, space-saving design, it fits seamlessly into modern kitchens while making baking enjoyable and effortless. If you love the idea of homemade baked goods anytime, this dough maker delivers at $119 for delicious creations every single day. There's something calming about slowing down and brewing tea the traditional way, and this Sankia Home teapot fits beautifully into that moment. Whether it's a quiet morning ritual or an evening wind down, the stainless steel body heats evenly, while the built-in infuser makes loose-leaf tea simple and mess-free. Its antique, hand-hammered design adds a touch of elegance to both modern and classic kitchens, making it as decorative as it is practical. Easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for sharing a pot with family or friends, this teapot turns everyday tea into a small daily luxury at $26.50 for peaceful moments every single day. If cast iron is a staple in your kitchen, taking care of it becomes part of the cooking ritual. The Clark's Cast Iron Cleaning Kit fits effortlessly into that routine, helping you clean, season, and protect your favorite pans without overthinking it. From post-dinner cleanup to weekend grill maintenance, the soap, brush, and coconut all work together to keep cookware performing at its best. It's a simple, satisfying way to extend the life of skillets, griddles, and Dutch ovens you rely on. For anyone who cooks with cast iron regularly, this kit proves its worth at $45.45 for cookware that lasts for years. Keeping your fridge organized makes everyday meals feel easier, and these Hushy cheese containers fit naturally into that routine. From storing sliced cheese and deli meats to fresh fruit and leftovers, the airtight lids help maintain freshness, while the stainless steel design adds a clean, modern look. The variety of sizes makes meal prep and lunch packing more convenient, especially during busy weeks. Easy to clean and built to last, they quietly simplify food storage without extra effort. If you enjoy an orderly, efficient kitchen, this set delivers everyday convenience at $32.99 for fresher food every single day. When meal prep calls for more control than a knife, these Demset poultry shears step in effortlessly. From breaking down whole chickens to trimming meat or snipping herbs, they make everyday cooking feel smoother and safer. The comfortable non-slip handle and built-in safety lock keep things steady, while the ultra-sharp blades handle tough cuts without strain. Easy to clean and versatile enough for multiple tasks, they quickly become a go-to tool in busy kitchens. If you enjoy efficient prep and less mess on the counter, these shears earn their place at $18.99 for everyday cooking made noticeably easier. Fresh citrus juice has a way of brightening mornings, and this Lukeman electric juicer makes it easy to enjoy anytime. Whether you're starting the day with a glass of orange juice or mixing fresh lemon for recipes, the powerful motor handles everything with minimal effort. The large capacity is great for families or weekend brunchs, while the simple design keeps cleanup quick and stress-free. Quiet, efficient, and easy to use, it fits seamlessly into daily routines. If fresh juice is part of your lifestyle, this juicer delivers convenience at $23.99 for refreshing moments every single day. Busy mornings feel easier when breakfast practically makes itself, and this elite gourmet rapid egg cooker fits perfectly into that rhythm. Whether you're prepping soft-boiled eggs for toast, poaching eggs for brunch, or whipping up omelets for the family, it delivers consistent results with minimal effort. The compact design saves counter space, while the auto shut-off and alert take the guesswork out of cooking. Cleanup is quick, and the versatility makes it useful beyond breakfast alone. If eggs are a regular part of your routine, this little appliance quietly earns its keep at $13.99 for stress-free meals every single morning. There's something fun about bringing crispy, restaurant-style favorites into your own kitchen, and this Cuisinart electric deep fryer makes it feel easy and controlled. From golden fries and crunchy chicken to homemade donuts on the weekend, it fits right into relaxed family dinners or casual get-togethers. The adjustable temperature and timer help you cook with confidence, while the viewing window lets you keep an eye on everything without lifting the lid. Compact enough for everyday kitchens yet powerful enough for consistent results, it turns frying into an enjoyable experience rather than a mess. If you love occasional indulgent meals made at home, this fryer delivers convenience at $62.97 for crispy favorites anytime. Precise measuring makes a real difference, whether you're mixing cocktails, pulling the perfect espresso shot, or following a recipe that needs accuracy. These Acker's glass measuring cups slip easily into both kitchen and bar routines, helping everyday tasks feel more polished and reliable. The clear markings make quick work of small measurements, while the sturdy borosilicate glass handles heat and frequent use without worrying. From weekend baking to evening drinks with friends, they're the kind of tool you reach for again and again. Easy to pour, easy to clean, and easy to trust, this handy set adds confidence to your prep at $16.91 for perfectly measured results every single time. Serving drinks feels more special when presentation meets everyday practicality, and this Snuvid glass pitcher fits right into that balance. Whether it's chilled water in the fridge, iced tea for guests, or fresh coffee for slow mornings, the generous size makes hosting and daily use effortless. The square design saves space while adding a touch of elegance, and the stainless steel lid makes pouring smooth and mess-free. Durable enough for hot or cold drinks, it moves easily from fridge to table. If you enjoy stylish, functional drinkware that suits any occasion, this 2-pack delivers lasting value at $31.99 for beautifully served drinks every day. Starting your day with a fresh smoothie has never been easier, and this Topsy personal blender makes it convenient and fun. Its powerful 1000W motor effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and even tougher ingredients, turning them into smooth, creamy drinks in seconds. The 24 ounces to-go cup is perfect for busy mornings, workouts, or outdoor adventures, letting you enjoy healthy beverages anywhere. Compact, easy to use, and simple to clean, it fits naturally into active lifestyles or daily routines. If you want quick, nutritious smoothies without hassle, this blender delivers at $35.99 for refreshing drinks every single day. Making perfectly smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes or mashing vegetables for recipes feels effortless with the Zule Kitchen Potato Masher. Its sturdy stainless steel construction and soft silicone handles let you press large batches without straining your wrists, while 3 interchangeable discs give you control over texture, from fine to coarse. Compact enough for everyday use yet versatile for gnocchi, cauliflower mash, or even baby food, it blends seamlessly into both casual and family meals. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's a practical tool that saves time while elevating your cooking. For fuss-free mashing every day, this masher performs at $24.99 for consistently smooth results in the kitchen. Whether it's a hot lunch at the office, a cozy soup at home, or meal prep for the week, these Chubaku soup containers make storing and serving effortless. The microwave and dishwasher-safe ceramic bowls handle both hot and cold foods without altering flavor, while the secure lids keep liquids from spilling. Their stackable design saves space, making them perfect for kitchens with limited storage or for taking food on the go. From soups and stews to salads, rice, or noodles, these versatile containers fit seamlessly into everyday routines. For organized, convenient, and mess-free meals, this set performs at $29.99 for practical, reliable food storage every day. Protect your countertops in style with these Daolemiji wooden trivets. Crafted from high-quality sapele wood and shaped like elegant trees, they safeguard surfaces from hot dishes, pots, and teapots while doubling as charming decor. Their compact stand keeps them organized, ready for daily use or special occasions. Perfect for serving meals, entertaining guests, or adding a festive touch, these trivets combine functionality with aesthetic appeal, blending seamlessly into modern or traditional kitchens. With durability and handcrafted quality, they're as practical as they are beautiful. For a stylish, heat-resistant solution, this set performs at $29.80 for lasting kitchen protection and charm. Transform your kitchen prep with the Tuomo 4-cup electric food chopper, a compact powerhouse designed to save time and effort. With 2 speed settings, it handles everything from soft fruits and vegetables to tougher ingredients like meat and nuts with precision. Its double S-shaped 4-blade system chops, dices, mixes, and purees evenly in just 6 to 10 seconds, making it perfect for sauces, baby food, or quick meal prep. The chopper includes 2 4-cup bowls for separate processing, and the food-grade, dishwasher-safe components make cleanup simple. Low-noise operation and a non-slip base ensure stability. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's versatile, reliable, and ideal for everyday cooking at $35.99. Elevate your indoor cooking with the Techwood Raclette electric grill, perfect for family gatherings and parties. Its 19 by 9-inch non-stick plate offers a reversible 2-in-1 design group for grilling meats and veggies, flat for pancakes or crepes. With 1500W fast heating, adjustable temperature, and 8 individual cheese melt pans, it delivers versatile, healthy cooking. Effortless cleanup is guaranteed thanks to the non-stick surfaces, and the included indicator lights make monitoring simple. Compact yet powerful, this grill ensures fun, interactive meals while keeping cooking efficient and safe. Backed by an 18-month warranty, it's a kitchen must-have at $70.36. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.